calm down. Play-Doh, come on. Tell Gelato to move. Tell Gelato to move. Tell Gelato to move. Gelato, come on, be nice, Gelato. Even though Play-Doh is afraid of you. Play-Doh. Play-Doh, come here. Come on. Come here. Hey, you guys are fine. Gelato, can you move for Play-Doh? He wants to cross. Come on, let's go, Gelato. Gelato. Do you just got chased by a bunny? Did you just get chased by a bunny? Come on. You okay, Gelato? You're fine. You're a big, tough girl. You're a big, tough girl. What do you want? You're afraid of a bunny, you pansy. And Gelato's just fine. She doesn't care about you. You wanna go play with her? Oh. She'll get you.